What's going on, guys? Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create lead tracking sheets for GoHighLevel. Open Google Sheets and create a new sheet. Then create columns with name, email, phone number, lead source, and status. For status, you want to add drop-down menus by selecting the entire column, then going to insert, and then drop down. You can then give it different names like new lead, contacted, booked, or closed. Next, go into GoHighLevel and select contacts, and then you can export all of your contacts by highlighting all of them, then selecting the three dots in the top right corner and selecting export. Then go back to Google Sheets and import your contacts. Then as leads move through your pipeline, you can change the status of them. This gives you a simple visual overview. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideOne. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.